To set up a hotspot on Samsung Galaxy S25, first we need to open a settings on our device. We can then move to the connections, select it from the list and look for the hotspot. So it should be in the mobile hotspot and tethering. You can select it and from there click on the mobile hotspot, not the switch. Right here you can activate or deactivate your hotspot. You can also see the data that was shared today, the amount of it. Below you can change your network's name, change the network's password. You can also choose a band between the 2.4G, 5G, 2.4 and 5G even, and 6G options. There's also security, so if you select enhanced open, then the password will be removed. If you go for WPA profile, then the password will be added. Next is the auto hotspot, and if you activate this option, then your internet sharing will automatically share connection with other devices that are signed into your Samsung account. And that is it. Let's move back. We also have the prioritize real-time traffic, so it can prioritize real-time network traffic such as games and video calls that are sensitive to lag, and you can activate that option as well. And that is basically everything.